So your guys' move of the week is the NT loop resisted squat. Now this is one that you could do with or without weight. I think it's a great one to help emphasize the external rotation, or if you have a client who has trouble with those knees kind of caving in during their squat, this is a really good one to force them to have to push out against that band. So it's a nice external cue to put them in a good position. And so as far as your setup, you could probably set it up anywhere below the shin. I like it a little bit lower, so if I had to choose between my two anchors here, I'm gonna choose that lower one. And you're gonna put yourself into a normal squat position, right? Feet a little shoulder width, and we're gonna walk back. So the nice thing about this is that not only am I getting the resistance that forces me to drive my knees out as I sit down into that squat, but it's also giving me this pull forward and backwards. So for clients who maybe don't have a lot of ankle dorsiflexion, it also allows you to sit a little deeper in a nice upright position. Like me, I'm not gonna normally be able to get into that deep squat. So good way to emphasize strong technique, get a little additional external rotation, and of course you can start to load that up as well. So check out a few of the reps that we'll show you guys and give it a try.